Today we're erecting a medical office building in Everett, Washington. So on this job with our moment collars, you have a moment frame that's just a drop-in connection.
So this side we're using XL system, which is drop-in connection. Also all the gravity beams, the fill-in beams are drop-in connections as well. Have 2 plates on the sides, and there is some conventional slab connections. This is a 4-story, 145,000 square foot building.
So a project this size that's about this same square footage, 4 stories, probably get done 20 days or less, no matter what the conditions are. If you're in better conditions, we could probably get it done a little bit quicker.
If you could speed erection up and not jeopardize safety, it's a win-win for everybody. Picture a box, we take that box, we complete it, and we move along. No matter if it's a 2, 3, or an 8-story building, we pretty much essentially do it the same way. What that does is it allows trades to come in faster, the deckers come in faster, and ultimately speed the job up.
Traditionally, I would be welding every connection. And with this system, everything comes pre-welded. I've been in this industry over 10 years, and doing everything out of a boom lift is so much safer, so much easier. It saves a lot of time. I love it.
You can put anybody up there, and I can take you up there and you and I can connect this thing. So it works out pretty good.
As quick as the system goes up, before you know it, there's a full building there, and it's kind of eye-opening for a lot of people. All the contractors love it. They all like to see how fast it goes up. It's pretty cool.
One of the things you're gonna see on this site is, as we erect the steel, we're gonna have multiple pieces on the hook, which is called Christmas treeing. So the pieces are gonna be 1 to 5. The benefits of Christmas treeing is we can hang all the beams that tie into that floor. So if that floor takes 4 pieces, 3 pieces, or 2 pieces, we can finish that floor and grab the bundle of deck to land. Ultimately, it cuts down on crane time and schedule overall.
My favorite thing about ConXtech is just how plug and play this system is. When iron shows up, shaken out, it goes right into place. The connections make it real nice. The efficiency of it is my favorite thing, I think.
The first time working with the ConXtech, it was fast. It was really, really fast. And we were done within weeks. It was amazing.
A lot of our job sites are in the middle of existing buildings, surrounded 3 sides with a major street in front of us. With ConXtech, we can make it work, and we always do. We've never said no to a job site.
I've worked on a lot of traditional steel projects, and looking at this concept, it was just mind-boggling when I saw it. I'm like, why doesn't every company do this?